Hello everyone. So today we will discuss how join works. If there is a case of where data is having null and duplicates values. Generally, we try to avoid duplicate values. We remove duplicate values in the cleaning part. But suppose if any case occur where the duplicates are there, so then what happens during the join? And what would it give in result, and what effect it would create, for which we need to remove it during the cleaning part. So let us understand what is null value and duplicate value first. So null data does not mean zero. Okay. It is like suppose if we make a string with no value, not equal to an empty string as well. Okay, it is just an unknown or missing information, not equal to zero. So, how null affect joins? What would it create? Row with null in join column do not match. Suppose if column is having null value, it do not join with the match. Like if the other column is also having null value, it do not join. It do not match. Such rows are excluded in inner join. Left join, right join, whole join may still show them with null on the opposite side. What is duplicate? Same value appearing multiple times. Correct. So if table 1 has 3 row with ID 1, okay, and table 2 has 2 rows with ID 1, okay. So ID 3 rows ID, it is having one ID. So 1 1 1, and second table is also having one ID with 3 rows, 2 rows. So result would be 3 into 6 matching, because one will match to other two, so other second will match to two rows of that column, third will match to the two rows of that column. So 3 into 6 rows it should give. So suppose this is the table 1. Okay, so in inner chain what would happen? What would happen in inner chain? Let me move my cursor over so that you will get more understanding of this. One second. So give me a minute. I will start review view. Okay, so let me hover my cursor over this. See, one is related to one. One is related to this. One is matching with this rows. Two is also matching. Null is also matching. Three and five is also matching, but three is not matching. So if we do inner join, how many rows we will get in inner join? First, with match, let us generate the rows of matching rows. So one will generate 3 into 2, to 6 rows of 1. 2 ja 4, 2 ja 4 rows of 2. Null will not match. Okay, and 5 will match with 5. So 5 1, so 6 4 1. So 11 rows will be generated in inner join. Correct. If we do this code, we will get 11 rows. Understood? See, here is the inner join result. 6 rows of 1 and 11 rows of matching. Similarly, for the left join for the left join, the left table would be table 1. So select star from table 1, table 1, left join table 2 on table 1 ID equal to table 2 ID. This will be the case. So what will happen for the left join? 1 will match to, so 3 into 6, 6 columns of 1, 2 columns of 4 columns of 2, and 1 columns of 5. Okay, and 3 is not matching, so 3 comes down, gives null value in other column, null, null, null. So 11 plus 3, 14 column, 14 rows we will get in left chain. See here. Likewise, likewise for right join. Likewise for right join, we will get in 15 rows. See how this will happen. How this will happen? For right join, right table would be table 2. Okay. So 6 of 1, 4 of 2s, and 5 of 1s. 11 that will be there. Right. The 11 rows will be there already. But we have more rows which is not matching with the table 1. We have, see, 1, 2 null will also come in that column. Second, 4 and 6 is not matching with the table 1. So 4 and 6 will also come with the in that column. So 2 of nulls and 2 of 4 and 6 will give null in that column. So how much? 6, 4, 1, 11 plus 4. 15 rows we will get in case of right join. Okay. Similarly, full outer join. Full outer join is generally the combination of left plus right join. So 15 rows we are getting in the right join, 14 rows we are getting in the left join. If we combine both, how much rows will we get? So 11 rows are common. 11 rows are common, that will not change. But if in left join, 3 rows are extra in other than that 11 rows. In right join, 4 rows are extra other than that 11 rows. So 4 plus 3, 7. 11 plus 7 is what? 18. 18 rows we will get. Correct? Correct? Hmm. Now, generally we avoid null values, but if there is any case, how we will check? Is null is the formula? Why we can check that, or if we that is available, that is present, we can replace it using call escape, COL formula. Null, if null is there, then replace it with this. So like that we can remove that. Duplicate, we can check it by distinct, or we can just aggregate it that having. Okay. So these are the some cases which we have to look after the data cleaning. Okay, thank you all. That's it.